Welcome to Throw It Together Thursday. I'm going to show you how to throw together this garlic and buttery mashed potatoes in my GeekChef Electric Pressure Cooker. So I preheated my pressure cooker here in the saute mode, and I'm going to add my water to it, and I'm going to add my bouillon. So now I'm going to add my potatoes. I just peeled them and I'm going to leave them whole. And then I'm going to toss in my garlic. Then I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to close the pressure valve. So cook it for 10 minutes under pressure under the soup stew function. So I'm going to hit the pressure release valve, and it already did release all its pressure. So I'm going to open it. Now there's still a little bit of liquid in here, so what I'm going to do is just mash the potatoes in here with the remaining liquid. So I'm going to throw in some black pepper. I don't think we need to add any salt because the salt is in the chicken stock that we added. So that's black pepper and butter. Gonna just mix everything till the butter melts. And I'm just using my spoon to kind of mash the potatoes up. Now I'm going to add some milk. I'm going to mix that in. I'm just going to keep mixing till everything's light and fluffy, and then I'm going to taste it for salt. So here it is, the mashed potatoes. I'm going to give this a taste. It smells amazing. It's absolutely delicious. It just melts in your mouth. Please guys, add this video to your playlist and try it. Please try this recipe. It's really delicious. Worth trying it. It just cuts your time in half with making mashed potatoes because you don't have to fuss over a bunch of water, drain any water. Just throw everything together and whip it. So this is it for Throw It Together Thursday. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please come back on Monday for a new recipe. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together to love one another. Thanks for watching.